Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Freshman Filter. I'm your host, Muhammad Raska, with ID student 103062500000 and 3. Joining me today is my brother in arms, Linggar. How are you holding up today, Ling?
Back with me Linggar with student ID 103062500150. I'm good Raska, a bit caffeinated, a bit tired from the last coding assignment, but overall, it feels too good to be back behind the mic.
Tell me about it. Crazy, isn't it? We survived semester 1. We're no longer the brand new face. We're officially semester 2 student at Telkom University Jakarta IT department. It feels like just yesterday we were the ones looking for the lift.
Exactly, we've grown a bit since then, and today we're not just two of us. We've brought the dream team from our class to share the journey. Let's do quick roll call, guys.
Hey everyone, my name is Mohammed Sabil with the student ID 1030625 00102.
Okay.
If you see someone in the corner of the library, it's probably me. I'm the I'm all about academic life and keep my GPA on point.
What's up, guys? I'm Reza with student ID 103062500012 and 1. I'm basically the opposite of Sabil. I'm the guy who knows everyone in the canteen, the security guard, and the lecturer favorite coffee. I believe university life is 50% study and 50% networking.
And I'm Andika. My name is 1030 six six to 50 and and 140. I'm the guy behind the hoodie. I live for relaxation. If there's a technical problem or a bug that's driving everyone crazy, I'm usually the one who stay up until 4 after morning trying to fix it. Nice to meet you all.
What? We've got the brain, the heart, and the machine. Today, we're diving deep into our identity as a TELU student, the high values, harmony, excellence, and integrity, and how we actually survive the chaos of our first few weeks as a freshman. Okay, let's get into the meat of it. Telkom University really pushed this hate culture. Linggar, honestly, did you think it was just a marketing slogan at first?
To be honest, yeah, at first, but no, in semester 2, it hits different. Sabil, as our excellent ambassador, how do you see this in our daily? Is it just about grades?
Not at all. Excellent in IT mindset is our programming fundamental class in the last semester. I realized that if you just do the bare minimum, your code might be run, but it's a messy. Excellent is about refactoring, making things efficient, and not being satisfied with just okay. It's about pushing your own limits.
I'm totally agree, but you can be excellent in a vacuum. That's where harmony comes. In the IT world, people imagine a lonely hacker in the dark room. But the really at Telkom University Jakarta is all about collaboration. When we had that massive group project for introduction to ICT, we had 5 different heads with 5 different opinions. Harmony was the only thing that kept us moving forward without a total meltdown.
Then there's integrity. This is the one that really get tested. In IT, it's so easy to find solutions online. You can ask an AI or find a snipe on GitHub. But integrity at TELU Jakarta means you own your logic. If you don't understand it, you don't just copy it. You struggle with it until it clicks. That honestly is what built a real engineer.
I remember a moment, Andika. You were struggling with a discrete math assignment. It was due at 8 a.m. at midnight. You still hadn't solved the last part. Someone offered you their answer key, but you refuse. Why?
Because if I just copy it, I'm not an IT student. I'm just a photocopier. Integrity means when I graduate and get a job in the tech, I actually know what I'm doing. That's more important than one assignment grade.
It's a nice answer. Okay, guys, let's talk about the Jakarta part of our campus. We're right here in the hustle and bustle. Reza, you're the most mobile guy here. What was the biggest shock during that first month?
Pace, man. Everything in Jakarta is fast. The transition from high school to university was already a jump. But doing it here, you have to be quick. If you're late to class because you underestimate the traffic near Dan Mogot, that's on you. It taught us discipline really fast.
And the campus culture too. Since the Jakarta campus is more compact, I feel like we're a tighter community. In the first week, I felt like I knew everyone in our major. It made the harmony part easier because we're always bumping into each other in the same hallway.
Remember the first time we stepped into the computer lab? The smell of new hardware and that freezing air conditioner. We were all sitting there, looking at the Linux terminal for the first time. I think we all felt a bit of imposter syndrome. Like, do I really belong here?
Oh, for sure. I thought I was a teach expert because I could build a gaming PC, but then the lecturer start talking about algorithm complexity, and I was like, wait, I'm even in the right rooms?
But that's where the magic happened. We were all confused together, Raska. I remember you start the huge SOS thread in our class group chat on the second week because nobody could get their Python environment to work. That thread ended up with 10 of us meeting at the coffee shop just to help each other install the software.
That's exactly it. That's harmony and excellence working together. We want to be excellent, so we use our harmony to help each other get there. No one was left behind.
So, guys, here we're semester two. The honeymoon phase of being a maba is officially over. Now we have that structure, database system, and well, even more math. Linggar, you ready for the grind?
Ready as I'll ever be, Raska, but this time with foundation we know the lecture, we know the hay value, and most importantly, we know who to call when the code fails.
I'm looking forward to the lab projects this semester. I want to see how far we can push our excellence. Maybe we can actually build something that solves a problem in Jakarta, like a traffic tracker or something.
And I'm looking forward to more campus events. Know that we know the ropes. I want to see us IT student taking more lead roles in student organization.
Well said, guys. We've come a long way from those confused kids in the first week. Before we wrap this up, any final message for our fellow student?
From me, focus on the process, not just the result. Excellence is a habit you build every day.
Build your network. Harmony with your classmates is your biggest support system.
And never trade your integrity for a shortcut. A real engineer is built on honesty.
And for me, don't forget to enjoy the ride. Semester 2 is going to be legendary.
That's all for today. Long form episode of the Freshman Filter. We've got a lab session starting in 10 minutes. So we gotta run. Stay creative, stay hey, and we'll catch you in the next one episode. Peace out.
Tuan. Iya sih.